Look at this wonderful, lush Moringa plant. It's one of the healthiest plants you can grow in your garden. Moringa is native to Africa, India, and subtropical Asia. The plant survives drought, heavy rains, hot and cold temperatures, and even pests. You just can't kill it. So for a gardener, that's just pure joy. Moringa is often called the miracle plant. The United Nations documented its use, reporting every part of Moringa, from the roots, leaves, and seeds, are used for food, medicine, and water purification. I often snip a few clippings in my Florida garden and take them back to our kitchen. I'll add the leaves to homemade stews, soups, and even salads. The raw leaves taste a little like arugula, but it also has a slightly spicy kick.
Very good.
You can also use Moringa as a dry spice and you won't lose any of its nutritional value. Moringa is full of vitamins B, C, and E, and packed with calcium and potassium. So I highly recommend the Moringa plant. It'll give you healthy benefits all year round. For more stories on travel and lifestyle, subscribe to my channel. And also hit the little bell to get instant notifications when I post new stories. Thank you and take care.